The range of temperature is very high in the equatorial zone. True, false? Insolation is more? Yes or no? Coriolis force is minimum. Agree? Doldrum belt is a calm condition zone. Why it is called as a calm condition zone? And it is difficult to find any advection here. So why it is calm condition? First of all, what is doldrum belt? First we will talk about equatorial zone winds. Winds which are in the equatorial zone. Equatorial zone. Winds in the equatorial zone. First of all, the range of temperature is very high in the equatorial zone. True, false? The range of temperature is very high in the equatorial zone. True, false? False. What is that? Range of temperatures are very less in the equatorial zone. So, first point, a range of temperatures are less in are less. That's it. Range of temperatures are less. Can I say it receives more insolation? Insolation is more. Insolation is more. Yes or no? And here in this equatorial zone, can I say there is a convergency of the trade winds? Convergency of the trade winds. Convergence of the trade winds takes place. Yes. So third is your convergence. Convergence of trade winds. Convergence of the trade winds. Right? And rising. Trade winds and rising. Then in this zone, Coriolis force is minimum. Coriolis force is minimum. Agree? Minimum. Coriolis force is minimum. And in this zone, now look at here. Actually, equatorial zone extended from 0 to 10 degree, both north and south. 0 to 10 degree, both north and south. 0 to 10 degree, both north and south. Clear? In this zone, there is one belt that is called as a doldrum belt. It is called as a doldrum belt. Doldrum. What is doldrum belt? Doldrum belt extended from 0 to 5 degrees, both north and south. Both north and south. Right, clear? Now, what is this doldrum belt is? Doldrum belt is a calm condition zone. Why it is called as a calm condition zone? And it is difficult to find any advection here. That is, there is no definite pattern of winds in this belt. So, why it is calm condition? First of all, what is doldrum belt? Doldrum belt is a calm condition zone belt. Calm condition. Calm condition zone belt. Condition belt this is. It's a calm condition belt. Clear? It's very, very calm condition. Why it is calm condition? Why it is calm condition? అందరు సైలెన్స్గా ఉంటారు అప్పుడు. అక్కడ అందరు మాట్లాడరు, అందుకని కామ్ కండిషన్. Yes or no? Why it is calm condition? Why? First of all, there is no definite pattern of, we will not find any advections here. Difficult to find advection. Difficult to find advection. What is advection? What is advection? Movement of the horizontal winds. That means there is no definite pattern of defined pattern of winds. Pattern of winds in this zone. There is no defined pattern of winds. Clear? Why it is calm condition? Why it is calm condition? Listen here. Actually, this is 0 to 5 degree, both north, 0 to 5 degree, both north and south, north, this is south. So can I say there is a convergence of the winds takes place here? There is a convergence of the winds, and this convergence rises the winds and forms clouds, and they start precipitating. It starts precipitating. So from morning till 2 p.m., 2 to 4 p.m., every day there is a rainfall. Every day rainfall occurs. Rainfall occurs. Every day rainfall occurs. 2 to 4 p.m. every day rainfall occurs. So after the 4 p.m. the conditions will be calm conditions till next day when the sun comes out. That's why it is called as a calm condition zone. It is very calm condition zone. So everyday rainfall phenomena is associated with equatorial doldrum belts. Listen this carefully. Everyday rainfall phenomena is associated with the equatorial doldrum belts. In the equatorial belt, everyday rainfall is common phenomena. Because of the everyday rainfall, there is a tropical evergreen forest. Right? Amazon, Congo, Indonesia, all these are the evergreen forest. Due to the heavy rainfall, tropical rainforest occur. Rainforest where Amazon basin, Congo, even Indonesia and some parts of India also. Right? Everyday rainfall. That's why it is a calm condition zone. Which one? Doldrum belt is a calm condition. Right? It's a calm condition zone. Point clear? Why it is called doldrum belt? Now it is very difficult to find the advection. Advection means what? Horizontal movement of the winds. Here, wherever there is a summer hemisphere, there the winds will blow. Like, I know you will not understand. Now I'll make you understand. Shall I change? So, even Congo, every place receives here heavy rainfall. Now, next one, it is difficult to find the advection. Meaning is, see here, listen carefully. This is your belt actually. What is this? These are, you will find here equatorial westerlies. Equatorial westerlies. Westerly winds, westerlies, they are dominated in the summer hemisphere. Wherever there is a summer, they are dominated. Dominant in summer hemisphere. What is this summer hemisphere meaning? Hemisphere. And this is generally a view that it is a modified version of the trade winds. Actually, equatorial westerlies are the modified versions of the trade winds, and these modified versions of the trade winds in future you will study that it will become the monsoonal winds for India. It will become monsoonal winds for India. So see here, what is this actually? See, suppose this is your equator 0 degree. This is your 30 degree north, 30 degree south. Yes or no? 30 degree north, 30 degree south. So these are nothing but these are modified versions of modified trade winds. Trade winds. Because of the why they are modified? See, it depends upon the shift of ITCZ. So because of shift of ITCZ, what will happen? They are forced to cross these equators. Who? The trade winds. Trade winds are forced to cross the equator. And once they are cross the equator, they become westerlies. See here, listen carefully. Can I say that here, look at carefully here. This is your north hemisphere. This is your north hemisphere and this is your ITCZ. Agree? This is why my ITCZ. So can I say this is my north ITCZ? When the sun is vertical, listen this carefully, okay? When the sun is vertical over the Tropic of Cancer, can I say the ITCZ also shifts towards the north? Right? So this is my ITCZ now. Right, clear? Now, the winds which are blowing, these are my northeast trade winds. Right, clear? Northeast trade winds. These are my northeast trade winds. Trade winds. Right, clear? Now 0 to 5, there are any winds which are blowing now? Nothing. Now you see, it will blow. What will happen? Below this 30 degree, these are your southeast trade winds. Southeast trade winds. Tell me yes or no? These are southeast. Now where is the low pressure? In the north hemisphere, between them, where is the low pressure? ITCZ is my low pressure zone. So that means here, there is a low pressure here. All these are low pressure zones. Yes or no? Now, the low pressure will attract these southeast trade winds. Southeast trade winds are attracted by these low pressure zones. Clear? The ITCZ is getting attracted by the low pressure zone. So what will happen? They will start shifting. Once they move near to the equator, because of the low pressure, they are shifted. They are attracted actually. First of all, it is attracted. Low pressure is, these winds are attracted towards the low pressure. Now once they cross the equator, because of the Coriolis force, they have to deflect towards right hand side in the north hemisphere. So get deflected. They get deflected like this. So what is the direction now? Westerlies, easterlies. Easterlies. Start ayyed west nunchi kada, and they are moving towards east. So they are called as, they are blowing between 0 to 5, 0 to 10, equatorial westerlies. So what are these? These are modified versions of the trade winds. Because of the shift of the ITCZ, they are forced to cross the equator. Cross the equator. Once they forced to cross the equator, because of the Coriolis force, they are deflected towards right hand side, and they become, that is called cumsole deflection. This is nothing but cumsole deflection. Cumsole deflection. Because of the deflection, they become westerlies. They will also merge in the ITCZ. Wherever the ITCZ, that's why ITCZ is what? Convergence zone. Okay. When they converge, they will rise. That is your monsoonal system will strengthen. That I will tell you. Okay. But just remember they are converging. Where they are converging? In the ITCZ. So same phenomena, can I also say that the same phenomena occurs for the south hemisphere also? Like this. If the ITCZ is shifted south, the sun is vertical over the Tropic of Capricorn. Now can I say that these winds are getting modified here? These are your northeast trade winds now. These are your northeast trade winds. Tell me yes or no. These northeast trade winds, they cross and they get modified here. But still they are westerlies only. Westerlies. Point clear? They are dominant in wherever there is a summer. If summer is in the north, they are dominant in the north. If they are summer in the south, they are dominant in the south. Clear?